Alright, luto tayo ng Tex-Mex chili in a large skillet, brown beef in canola oil in batches. Add the garlic, cook for 1 minute and longer, transfer to 6-quart slow cooker. This one, alright? So ito yung mga kakailangan natin. Alright, let's tablespoon canola oil. Alright. 3 cloves of garlic, minced garlic. And transfer this into here. And 3 cans, 16-ounce each kidney beans, rinse and drain. 3 cans, 15-ounce each tomato sauce. 1 can, 14 ounces diced tomatoes undrained. Tomato paste, 6 ounces. And 3/4 salsa verde. Envelope chili seasoning. 1 teaspoon chili powder. Half teaspoon red pepper flakes crushed. Teaspoon ground cumin. Half teaspoon cayenne pepper. 2 tablespoon onion powder. And also 1 cup of water. Alright. Cover and cook on low 6 to 8 hours or until meat is tender.
Oh, low.
Alright, low.
Okay.
Okay, see you later after 8 hours.
Ta-da! There it is. Okay.